This is the Xperia 1 Mark IV. The video you've just watched was shot using some of the wicked features, including slow motion at 120 frames per second in 4K, real-time eye autofocus, burst mode for photos, and shooting at all three focal lengths of 16, 24, and 85mm. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Mike Will at m.visuals, and I'm a Sony European Imaging Ambassador, and Xperia have challenged me to push my creative boundaries using the Xperia 1 Mark IV. When shooting in Videography Pro mode, the user interface is very similar to my Alpha camera. This was great for me as a photographer, still gaining experience in video, so having this familiarity was incredibly useful. I wanted to showcase as many features as possible while capturing the motion of Mikey, a world-class dancer. Building a relationship early on with him was important, so we had a connection for the video. That's everything, from understanding the overall concept with a script and ideas, to directing and executing my creative vision. Music was a vital part of this. We selected the track before the shoot so then Mikey and I could create the choreography. One of the key features I wanted to highlight in this video was shooting at 120 FPS in 4K. Having movement and slowing it down gave a real sense of mood and impact. That's so sick. Using burst mode shooting at 20 FPS meant I could catch the exact moment I wanted while Mikey was in midair. When shooting at 25 FPS, you can do real-time IAF in all three lenses. Here you can see a clip from the video where we were using the 85mm, and even when Mikey turns or puts his hand in front of his face, the camera still tracks his eye. The Xperia 1 Mark IV has a 4K 120Hz OLED display to bring everything to life. This was so fun to shoot, and something really new for me to create. I hope this inspires you to go out and shoot something using your Xperia smartphone. Big up.